what I mean? A basic bollocking.
Yeah.
If I pulled you over for whatever and you turn out to be green a knob end.
This bell end.
Dickhead.
Back into the light.
Oh my god. Right.
Celebrate this mental wazzock.
But he's not BMW, is he?
We'll take a leave and go.
Idiot.
And he's going to have to reverse because he didn't even do it right. And he's just going to drive on the path instead. Thank you, Mr. Lorry. What so? Is he going to step off? Yeah, of course he is.
Yeah, that's not 30 miles an hour. This is an average speed zone, so someone's getting a ticket. He weren't stopping for anybody.
The limit of 60 is not enough for this dickhead.
Oh no, you're going to do that and make yourself. You weren't let in, so you'll make. Where the f you come from? Did you not? Oh, yeah, maybe you can turn right then. Okay. I don't feel you.
Like that one.
What are you teaching them?
Funny looking bus.
Yeah.
Used to be a really dodgy kebab place.
That doesn't look like a dodgy kebab place anymore.
No, it's not.
20 mile an hour, you twat. Idiot! Idiot! Got you on camera. And where did it get him? Not very far. Well, you're going on YouTube, pal. He's doing it again. Doing it again! Idiot.
Either side, danger lurks everywhere.
Oh, it's everywhere. This is honestly, it's like the slalom.
Slam it there, right on the junction, why not?
What the f***'s going on here? You kind of just park there, Jesus Christ, right in the corner. That's a f*** that, like. He can get out if he wants to, like, but still. That's shocking, that, like. Parking there like that. See it, man.
What a fantastic place to leave your car on a crossing. No one in it. As long as I can't be asked to find a parking space. Taxi driver, yeah, anyone in it? No, couldn't be asked to find a parking space. It's not like there's any parking spaces in the car park, is there? You know, it's not like there's a massive selection to my right. Okay, fair enough, some of those are disabled, but, you know. No, I'm still looking for those car parking spaces. I can't find any. No wonder they had to park right outside the shop. It's not like a vast chasm of spaces to my right. Wrong way down the bike lane, wrong side of the road, and no lights. Glorious.
Something with the parent system. So why do you need lights on your bike on the road? I suppose there's no reason to.
Staying out and about. There's potholes, mate.
M66.
Oh, make your mind up. He can't make his mind, he's not even indicating. No.